Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Nathan343 here, and we have a new product that everyone should probably have either in their vehicle or in a toolbox or somewhere within close in case you ever need it. This is the SAKER jump starter with air compressor and air pump. It's a 6-in-1 little unit. So it is a jump starter, an air compressor, a blower, emergency light, a pressure measure, and a power bank as well. So that is very cool. We're going to open this up, and as mostly you know, SAKER's stuff is always nice. It even comes in a nice handy dandy logoed little plastic container to keep it safe. So this would be perfect to put in your toolbox, keep it safe, keep it where you need it. I would like to see a little carry handle on it, but hey, let's get up close and check this thing out because I'm sure you want to see what's in the box that's in the box.
This video is made possible by 343 Studios.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and unzip it. Nice little zipper. Whoa. So here we have the unit, and it is nicely put into a deal. So the unit itself has a deal. Yeah, give it a handle. Looks like we have a book in here. And then here we have a bunch of other goodies. So we have a couple things here. We got some buttons on the front. So we got a power, a plus and a minus. This is your flashy light. Oh, that's cool. So it's white. It's also red. Flashes heavily red. Then it stops. So you get white. Very cool. Alrighty, has a nice little screen, nice little handle, has some rubber feet on the bottom or such and such. So this is a 100 amp jump starter current. Its capacity is 10,400 milliamps. Current peak is 1,500 amps. Inflation speed is 220 L minutes. Must be liters a minute. USB, so you have a 5-volt 2 amp and another 5-volt 2 amp. So you have two 5-volt 2 amp USBs, and those are going to be right there. Actually, one's a USB type C. Doesn't say that, but we have a USB type C. That's probably to charge this. Then you have a USB regular. I'm wondering if there's another one of these on the other side. Put that back in there. And there is. So this is where you hook up, I guess, the engine starter area right here at the bottom. And this is the deflate and the inflate section of hose. So this part here for jumping batteries goes in here. Now it looks like it's got to go one way, so you can't mess this up. It has green and red lights flashing there. We'll go ahead and turn the unit on. Looks like it's fully, it's at 75%. So you could do all different kinds of things with this. You could even probably test lights with this, although I'm not going to make it spark or anything, as I'm sure it will. It is a short battery tender. It probably would give you, if you hook it up, would probably give you your amperage and all that. So the motorcycle, bicycle, oh, that's PSI, so you can change your PSI. Looks like that says for 8 PSI. Looks like this is for wind. So you can adjust, I'm guessing, the amperage on here and all that stuff. So I will have to read through this. Looks like we can go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to go ahead and pull these out real quick. Have a little rubber hose. I'm guessing this is to go, I don't know. What do we have in this little bag? What's in here? Oh, we get all kinds of goodies. So we get some little plastic containers or plastic hookups, probably for airing up. Oh, this can also air up like inflatable mattresses and beds. You also get a USB type C cable to charge. And you get a few other little deals, so like air up basketballs and volleyballs and just different kinds of air up nozzles. So very cool. So we're going to go ahead and see how this hooks up. Looks like it just threads in here for the air. Okay. So here is your inflate to air up like inflatables. We're gonna see if it does anything different now. There's air coming out of there. So that's cool, it has an auto shut off. Very, very nice set. Got the battery part of the unit turned on. Looks like that's what it's showing. We're gonna see if I can get a light on here. We're gonna go ahead, see if it'll fire. Lawnmower that won't start. As you can see down low, it's going to be pretty bright. I'm going to go ahead and turn this unit off. As you can see, my battery level there and everything. Have a red flashing light, SOS, right alongside the road. This thing's really, really cool. You can see it just started the lawnmower there. Alright guys, so this little SAKER battery jumper pack thing is a must. This thing you should have with you at all times. It should be kept in your vehicle. Not only is it good for airing up tires, basketballs, you could even put your little basketball tips in there and you could air up a basketball, which is what we're gonna do. All right, we've got a basketball. Needs air. We have an air pump. I'll put the ball here. We have this little deal here that will screw in or push in to this. We're going to lock it in. We're going to hook this to the pump. Those of you that play sports, this would normally be nice to air up your basketball with. Okay. We're going to turn it on. It is fully charged. We're going to hit mode. PSI. We're going to put this thing in the basketball. Okay. Hands free too, guys. Look, no hands. And I think I hit start. Move this around here so you guys can see this. And it shows me right on the deal here that it's got about 8 pounds in it. I think it probably shut off. I don't know if that's aired up. Yeah, that is aired up. That is at 8 pounds. That ball was pretty much flat. So it shut off automatically. You probably could put more air in it if you wanted to. Now I think you can deflate too. You could take, now it's showing about 7 pounds. Yes, you can set the pounds for this. So that's cool. So we just aired up the ball. And I'm gonna put just a little bit more air in it. We're gonna go 1/2 pound more. There we're at 8. Well, yeah, that's a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull this out, see how it bounces. A lot better. A lot better at bouncing. So we just aired up a ball. So how cool is that? Very, very useful tool here. And then when you're done, we just unscrew what we had hooked up. Now the air part goes right here to air up your ball. Now, we have an inflate and a deflate for your campers or your camping situation. So, again, hook that dude up. If I had an air up mattress, I'd put one on it to show you. You got different tips. Not only can you inflate, you can also deflate by plugging the hose into a different area. So, again, cool there. And all this stores in right here. You got all your other little pieces that can go into this and this. Of course, you've got your jumper cables, which have used. Again, then push and hold, it shuts off. It goes right into its box and goes in there. It zips up. You can put this in your toolbox in your truck. You could keep this in a camper. You could keep this in your car, in your trunk. It's gonna be always ready to go for you. SAKER knew what they was doing when they made that.